How to unblock someone on TikTok. In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how to easily unblock people on TikTok. Let's just jump right in. First thing first, go ahead and open up your TikTok application and just make sure that you are logged into your account. Now to see your blocked account list, you're going to have to simply go ahead and tap on the profile icon at the bottom right. Then find the hamburger menu at the top right corner. From here, head over to Settings and Privacy. And if you scroll down a bit, you will find the blocked accounts. So go ahead and head over to the privacy option and then scroll down until you find the blocked accounts option. It will show you all of the accounts that you have blocked. All you have to do is tap on the unblock option and now you've successfully unblocked this person. But you have to note that if you two were following each other previously, blocking them will automatically make sure that you unfollow each other. So if you want to see each other's content again, you're going to have to send each other follow request again. So that's how you unblock someone on TikTok. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll catch you on the next video.